Alright, let's take a closer look. This is the bonus round. It's still Snap-on Monday, but I've already done my tool haul. Now let's take a little closer look, do a little tool overview, review type deal on this lock flex head. So as you can see, we got the 1/4 inch long handle. We've got the standard F80. That's your standard classic Snap-on ratchet in the F80 standard. And when we put those together, I'm going to use that as a guide. As you can see, the height difference is negligible. And actually, with the selector switch on the back, they're exactly the same. I've seen some videos where they were saying that the head was so much bigger on this one, but they made the selector switch a little slimmer, and they did some things. Maybe they recessed it. We'll take a look at the back, but it's the same height. Now the head is longer, but I don't think that matters. And of course, when we put the 1/4 inch in there, it's a little shorter, of course, 1/4 inch drop, but man, not much. So let's flip them over, right? See what's different. All right. Got the mechanism, got the lock, unlock, so you can use it as a regular non-locking flex head. You can lock it and use it as a locking flex head. Handle is super long. Let's get a measurement on that. So from tip to hip, looking at just under 20 inches on that. Got about 7.5 on the standard, and that one's about 9.5, just under 10. Right now, take it in the unlock position. Got your 90 degrees that way and that way. Not really usable, but that's the range of motion on it. Lock it in, use it as a standard. A lot of people say these long handles, it's just for access. I mean, yeah, but we're gonna use them for extra leverage for torque too. So that's where you get to follow on the warranty. If we bust it up, getting off oxygen sensors, stuff that's stuck like that. That's normally when I break a ratchet, trying to get off oxygen sensors. That's rusted in there. Take it to the Snap-on and give you another one, or he'll rebuild it on the truck if it's repairable. So that's just a quick overview of this new Snap-on locking flex head. Hadn't seen a whole lot on it, but my guy just got him today. Part number, hadn't been able to find it on the Snap-on website yet, but that is the part number right there. If you can't see that, it says Foxtrot Hotel Lima Lima X-Ray 80. So there you have it, the new Snap-on locking flex head.